There guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily copy a file in Windows 11. So let's say that I have a picture here, right? And I want to add a picture to my folder. So what I need to do is, let me show you, right click on my picture. It's messing up right now. So okay, I have the document here. Then you see it right here, next to the cut is copy. Then we have rename, share. We're gonna click copy. I'm going to open thumbnail right here. I will right click on it, and then I see right here, paste. And that's how we do it. So this is how you can easily copy a file in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.